Good day, boys and girls. In this video I'll show you how you can change the FIREFOX download folder location. So first off, we're going to load up our browser. Then we want to navigate to this right corner right here with the three dashes. Click on it, and then we have to go to settings. From here, all you have to do is scroll down a little bit until we see the files and applications tab, and as you can see right here we have the option downloads save files to, and if we click browse we can select whichever folder we want our downloaded files to be sent to. So automatically it should be set to the downloads folder which you have in your C drive, but you can go to whichever drive you want and you can select whichever folder you like. So it is as simple as that. And if you want to create a new folder, you have to right click on an empty space right here, click or go over new and folder. So that is how you change your download file location in FIREFOX. Hope it helped you out, boys and girls. Take care, everyone. Bye.